One of the key reforms na nakapaloob dito sa instructional block ay yung pag-update po natin ng ating classroom assessment policy. Okay, so yung mga formative assessments, yung summative assessments. So often we think of assessment as the periodic exams only that are conducted at the end of the term. But we want to change that, and we want to shift in paradigm on how we think about assessment. Tsaka kung paano talaga siya nagagamit, hindi lamang sa end of term, pero sa instructional block mismo.
Ang goal natin dito sa instructional, one of the biggest misconceptions ay nagtuturo lang si teacher, hindi nag-assess during the instructional block. Hindi po yan totoo. Ang mangyayari po talaga dito ay throughout the whole 55 days. Dito na lang ako, feedback. Throughout the whole 55 days of the instructional block, merong, of course, formative assessment is happening, but also summative assessments are or should also be happening. If you've seen the actual academic calendar, meron na pong actual dates doon. Hindi ko alam kung nakita niyo na po yung DO. Meron pong nakalagay doon, teacher-made summative assessments. There are dates already. So again, those are highly recommended or encouraged dates para talagang mas schedule ni teacher. Hindi po siya napakahabang coverage ng isang assessment sa dulo, but you're already checking evidence at the middle of the instructional block already.